Sana.
That ate order. That's Marvin's.
Ipulusin di ano, Dara.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
putinda ko.
this is the blood. See that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
What do you use the blood for?
For dinuguan.
Didn't it go on?
You know
Yes.
that? I give you, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a little strong. If you're not used to that much blood, it's a little strong.
Chocolate. I don't.
Yeah. Chocolate.
I don't like.
Chocolate didn't go on.
Hindi ka may saka
It's very dark.
Yeah. Maybe one of these days we're gonna make some
You said that one.
sisig. That's good for
Well,
sisig.
yeah. Pick out what you like.
Yeah, I like
Ang
that.
alam kay Lola.
I'm just showing.
Hmm?
When so he just killed the pig. He killed,
They did.
they did and butcher it, and then now they're selling
Yeah.
some.
Now they're selling house to house.
Yeah. It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, you get some orchid.
Yeah, orchids.
Okay. You gonna plant that?
In front of the house.
All right. Very nice.
Yeah. Would you like to order maybe a pork chop for you?
Sure.
Mano tayo kwad? 2 kilo day jay dinurdaran niya. Oh, day 2.
Well,
Kanas day jay.
where's the pork chop?
Pork chop be.
Kaya nag-order ako pork chop. Ay, haan.
Pork chop meron dito pa.
Di ba nag-order ako sa isang pork chop, banda?
Ano ba yun? Lempo.
Dalawa-dalawa
laman,
eh.
Ribs.
Mm.
May pork chop naman dito.
Asan na yung 2 dinuguan, 2 kilo, tapos ano.
Kasi kanya dati dinuguan. Dati ti dinuguan.
Yung laman.
Kurang pa dito May sama kilo ng dito. Nagtitay buto-buto. Pero
No, may order dinuguan.
ang arod.
Yung laman,
2 kilo day jay.
ayun.
It's very fresh.
Oh,
Buto.
ta.
Yun, tapos yung pork chop, bali 6. Mali, mali.
Yung pork chop namin nasaan?
Yeah, dahil in order
Ay, bato
ko.
pala sa amin oh. Ito puro ano lang.
Mali, ito balikan mo
Kung dati
be.
tayo pang dinurdaran ba yaw? Sorry na.
Yeah. Kita ang bata tay medyo
Kaya
pa.
pati pa yun eh. Pati panay laman pa yun eh.
Nakasukatan na.
Ito sa laman.
Okay.
Dito.
Local farmed, local butchered, local delivery. Choose what you want,
Ito sa kilo.
right?
Wala in order ko kat lempo. Yeah, kan pork chop.
Pork chop.
Taday para kaday to ini.
Wala na? Okay niya, ha? Ikaw lang pala. O, ano lang.
Yeah.
Okay.
300.
Take care, everyone. We're gonna get some, do some pork purchasing. Tagalog for pig is baboy,
Ay gatang dito kan dito.
pork.
Sabagay ko mo.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yeah.